They are some of our toughest and bravest, hitting the ice to help the tiniest of patients.
The Little Hearts hockey tournament getting underway today. Over its 10-year run, firefighters have raised more than $100,000 for the neonatal intensive care unit at CHEO.
Hi, I'm Derek.
Hi, Derek. John Marie. This is Maddox.
Oh, hi, Maddox.
A firefighter in a hockey jersey making the rounds at the NICU.
He's just really excited right now. That's his respiratory rate.
Yeah, I see that.
A rare opportunity for Derek Bowker to see the tiny patients he helps up close.
What's his name? Jace. Jace Samuel.
For 10 years now, Bowker has been the driving force behind Hockey for Little Hearts.
The week of the tournament, it's just so exciting. There's so many guys that are showing up to the rink, and girls. We have lots of female firefighters that come and play as well.
It now draws 400 firefighters. When it began, Bowker had no special connection to the hospital, wasn't even a dad himself, just wanted to do something.
Smallest kids with the littlest hearts needed the most help.
What he's done is raise over $100,000 for CHEO.
A lot of our equipment isn't used anywhere else, even within this institution. It's only for our NICU.
Oh, that's great.
We only have one giraffe, which is an isolette that the whole top comes up. So if a baby needs to be rushed to the OR for a type of surgery, they go in that bed and they operate on that bed.
The tournament inadvertently helping Bowker's own sister, her twins, born weeks early. Their first home was right here.
Yeah. Wow, so you've been here for 3 months.
Just as it has been for Jace Samuel Cook, whose parents had no idea the complex care required for a premature infant.
There's so much you don't even think about that goes into like taking care of a baby like this and other babies in this situation, you know, like the ventilators and the different machines.
Look at his eyes are wide open.
To see people like Derek doing stuff like that, it's like, man, that's really helping a lot.
Not being able to hold him is hard, but we were able to hold him for a little while. And then he had his surgery, and just looking forward to getting him off this and holding him again.
That's amazing.
That's what drives both nurses.
I think one of my favorite parts is taking a baby that's been very sick and putting that baby in mom and dad's arms.
Which is nice, right?
And a firefighting hockey fundraiser.
It's the most special thing that anybody has, and you want the best care that they can receive. Want to wish you all the best, man. Good luck with everything.
Thanks again.
Yeah, no problem.
And we want to let you know that the day after our cameras were at CHEO, Justin and Kaylin Cook did get to hold their baby and are very much looking forward to getting Jace home. You can find a link to the 10th annual Hockey for Little Hearts, the largest firefighting charity tournament in North America, on our website. And your continued support makes a difference in the lives of the children at CHEO. Please visit cheofoundation.com and donate today.